I'm gonna spend 24 hours trapped in my Jeep. Now this is either the best idea I've ever had or the worst. So this video is to celebrate 10,000 subscribers. I just wanna thank you guys so much for that, but we're far from done and we're far from where we're going. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do click that subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. There are new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel.
Moments later.
I did grab just the essential supplies for this. Of course, we got water, a freeze-dried ice cream sandwich, an essential item that I've never had before and it feels crusty and it's gonna be gross. Of course, tissues just in case our nose runs or now wait for it, because we have dry skin.
Not the cap.
All jokes aside though, guys, this is what we're working with here. So you can see we got a nice comfortable place to lay actually, which is actually nice. Like I said in previous videos, I'm 6 feet and it fits me perfectly. So I think we're gonna be fine. But we got this like mattress pad topper thing that was like $15 or something, I don't know. You get the full size air mattress or anything, it'll fit in here perfectly. I probably could have done that, but I feel like that was a little bit too extra. Got a couple blankets on top of that for some extra comfort and padding and softness, and it's nice and smooth and comfortable. We got our pillows up there. It's basically a bed. We basically have a hotel in our Jeep right now, so this is gonna be I guess decent time, we'll see. But the first order of business, of course, is I need to eat some food. So once I get in the Jeep, that's it. I'm locked in and I'm trapped. So I guess I just hop in now and then I'm gonna have to climb around. I don't know, but we gotta go get some food. So I guess drive-through is our only option, or like car side. So I'll see what we're gonna do. We are in fact in the car now, so the 24 hours is started. That's it. So the time is now clicking away. Do you hear it? The time, that's it. It started, guys. That's it. It's official. It's official. The 24 hours in the Jeep. I can't leave. How am I gonna? I have to pee. I have to pee. All jokes aside, again, I like to play too much, but we are in fact gonna go get Chick-fil-A, because when you're in the car and you're trapped in the car, what are you gonna do besides go and visit the Chick-fil-A and get yourself some nice little bit of chicken and some fries and some Chick-fil-A sauce, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go hit Chick-fil-A now, and then I'll update you guys when we get there. So we got Chick-fil-A in the background, right? But this line of traffic behind me and in front of me to get Chick-fil-A, I'm gonna be here for 24 hours. Like, this is it. Video over. This is easy. I'll just sit here, wait in line, get Chick-fil-A, and then that's it. By the time I eat my Chick-fil-A, I'll be ready to just get out of the car and stretch. I love that for me.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
The biggest thing with hitting 10K, guys, is we have the new lifestyle merch. So it's all printed on Champion shirts now, so they're a lot better quality. They're like a 7.1 ounce cotton, very, very high quality, and they stand up well to washes and stuff like that. They're just way better than the ones that I was printing on before. So these are way better. So this is the everyday design, but this is the limited edition 10K gold design, which is gonna be for a limited time, just for the 10,000 subscribers mark. So on the back, it's got the lifestyle printed like that, and then on the front, you just have your gold lifestyle logo with the 10K on the side, so you know it's a limited edition gold 10K shirt. Now, I want to give back to you guys for supporting me on my journey from 0 to 8,000 subscribers here with the Jeep and throughout what we've done here on the channel. So if you guys want to win, possibly maybe a PlayStation 5 that we have here, or maybe you're not a gamer but you like Jeeps and you like money, because who doesn't like money? So I don't know how much I'm gonna give away, but we got some money. It's like $1,000 cash, maybe I'll give that to you. I don't know yet what I'm gonna give away, but we'll see how the support is on the merch and in the comments down below on this video. But yeah, I want to give back to some of you guys, so people who buy merch are going to be entered in the giveaway to win some stuff. Maybe I'll give away some Jeep mods, we'll see. I don't really know exactly what you guys are gonna win yet. That's all gonna be a mystery and a surprise. These are some things that could potentially end up in your pocket or your living room or bedroom, maybe, I don't know. So make sure you guys do check it out. Top link in the description, shoplifestyle.com. Everything is redone, and there's a ton of new designs that are really, really good and really, really awesome. Now that the hashtag ad is over, it's time to just jump into sleeping in this car for the next 24 hours or whatever we're gonna. All right, so now, yeah, I'm at the dinner table. If you guys want to eat with me, we could sit down and like have lunch together, maybe if you want. But yeah, guys, you know, whenever you go to Chick-fil-A, if you don't get fries, and like, I don't know why you wouldn't get fries at Chick-fil-A, but if you don't, then yeah, there's something wrong with you. And also, if you don't get Chick-fil-A sauce, then I'm judging you. But yeah, we just went with the grilled nuggets for lunch, just nice and simple. Some grilled nugs, some fries, you know, right here at the dinner table. Basically, this is also my office and my dinner table, and I don't know. But after I eat, I'm gonna have to get some work done because I have a lot of work to do. So I'm just gonna eat real quick, take my time, just relax, and then we're gonna figure out what else we're gonna do. And like I said, I'll probably work for a while because I got a lot of work to get done. So I'll catch up with you. So I do have a lot of work to do. Fortunately for me, I work for myself, so I'm able to just slap my laptop in the back, which will show you guys a little setup, a little cheat in a second for it. But yeah, so I'm gonna jump back there. Literally, I'm gonna have the GoPro so I can get another angle because this is probably gonna hurt and I'm probably gonna regret this. But we're gonna climb back there and actually like dive back there, I think. So yeah, this is what we got working with. Luckily, I took my shoes off because I don't want to do anything. But all right, so it wasn't as soft as I expected it to be when I jumped back like that. So yeah, that actually hurt a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna set up the laptop and I'll show you guys what I'm doing and what I'm working on, and probably time-lapse a little bit of work stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. Lay back here in the bedroom, in bed, relax. You know, we got our lotion and our tissues over there that we might need. You know, just in case we get a runny nose or dry skin, of course. But yeah, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna save this for after dinner because you can't eat dessert before dinner. I'm a good adult, so I'm gonna do that. So let me get to work. So one of the best things about having the Jeep here is that I'm actually just able to go ahead and plug in right down here into our little power outlet port, which you guys can see maybe down there, and the little light kicks on, and then my laptop's nice and dead, so now I can have my laptop so I can work and I can relax. I got some phone calls I gotta make for some business stuff. Yeah, maybe I'm just gonna move into here full time, and this is just gonna be my office slash bedroom, and I'll just work here and hang out. So let me just time lapse some work stuff maybe. I don't know. I'll see what's gonna happen. But it's time to work. It's time to work, and that's all.
This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, this how we ride.
So I think I just locked down a setup for a dealership to go ahead and check out a Grand Cherokee L tomorrow. So hopefully that works and I'm able to do that, which you'll see those videos on the channel if I do. So hopefully that works.
Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery, I'm proud of me, yeah. No babe proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never
So yeah, I'm just gonna probably lay here for the next, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours maybe, and work, maybe switch between here and the seats. We got some we're doing some stock stuff, obviously. You know, you gotta get those investments going and get those trades going, you know, especially with if Rona's coming back, guys, and you guys do any stock trading, then you'll know that if Rona's coming back, that means a lot of the travel stocks are gonna plummet, which means you can play them and make some easy free money. But I got YouTube work to do, a lot of stuff with YouTube. I got a lot of other business stuff that I have to do, and yeah, I'm just gonna be working and yeah, just doing what I do. That's gonna be fun, and yeah, maybe I'll take a nap, or probably not, I probably won't, but I'll probably catch up with you guys in a while after I work for a long time and then go get dinner. But yeah, we'll see. Now I'm sure everyone's wondering probably the same thing that I was wondering is if I'm spending 24 hours in my Jeep, how am I gonna pee? So fortunately enough for me, I have the back door here. And fortunately enough for me, I am a guy, so technically I'm not gonna have to get out. I can just kind of do one of these. Maybe I should just do the standard water bottle. No, I'm just gonna go for this for now. You know, it's fine, it's fine. I don't know who designed these videos for YouTube or who thought doing these 24-hour challenges were like a cool, good idea, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I wanna stretch. I wanna go for a walk, man. I wanna go do something else. This is tough. For just 15 cents per day, you too could help this poor YouTube boy overcome the difficulties of creating YouTube content. Alright guys, so it's getting kind of late now. I just drove home a little bit ago, and I'm just hanging out here in the car because I figured it'll just be easier in the morning to just get out and just go inside. My girlfriend brought me dinner, so I don't have to go get dinner, which is good. Yeah, so that was good. And then yeah, I'm just gonna probably watch movies now. It's starting to get dark, so that's good, I guess, because now we can go into the night and then I can go to sleep. So I'm probably just gonna lay here and watch movies on my laptop. You know, got like Step Brothers going. And yeah, let's eat this ice cream sandwich here and do our little taste test. That was the reason that I got it, so that we could see. Oh god, oh god, oh god. They just be freeze drying these things, I get. Oh my god, it's all crumbly and broken. Oh, who is eating this? Is there people who actually buy this to eat it? Like, do people actually like this? I don't know. There's no way this is good, right? Oh my god. Welcome to my mukbang, guys. My midnight mukbang for my OnlyFans. Alright, I'm just gonna take a bite of this thing. There it is. Hard and cold and dusty and oh! That is not a pleasant ice cream sandwich at all. I don't recommend this. I would have been better off just getting a normal ice cream sandwich and then just drinking it after it was melted mush. I really don't like it. I'm gonna do it again. That was an awful experience, guys, so I did it for the video though. So yeah, I'm gonna lay down and watch the movies because it's, yeah. And then hopefully I'll be able to fall asleep here later. I'll update you guys whenever I get to the point of being able to go to sleep.
Many unbearable hours later.
Hopefully I can finish out the night here by just sleeping. It's fairly comfortable actually right now. It's currently looking like it's about almost 1:30 in the morning. So if I started at 9, 24 hours, we're looking at 9 a.m. So I think I'll be able to sleep until then, or at least on off sleep until then. So I think I'll catch you guys in the morning at around 9 a.m. hopefully to complete this challenge for you and hopefully to successfully spend 24 hours trapped in my Jeep for the video. So I'll see you guys in the morning and hopefully you guys get some sleep as well.
The next morning.
So I think we're finally done here. It's the morning time, as you guys can see, and I'm tired. So I think yeah, I think we did it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open up this little door here, because it looks like we're officially free and we're officially safe to leave, because that's the challenge done, boys. The challenge is done. So I gotta get the shot of me leaving, you know, for the first time. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wow. Yeah, so let me just do an outro here once I realize that I'm finally able to move, and yeah, it feels good. Let me do the outro now. Alright guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button down below to help the YouTube algorithm, help this video get out to more people, of course help the channel grow. If you're new here and you're not already subscribed as one of those first 10,000 people who made me kind of do this video and this challenge, then make sure you guys click the subscribe button down below. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. Of course, check out Shop Lifestyle. Like I said, guys, all the new merch is up. Link in the top description. It's out now. All the new merch, all the new quality, everything is out. So make sure you guys go get something and enter to possibly win something maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But that's going to be about it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.